Kenneth, darling, I will give you a candy if you stop crying.
Class, settle down. I know everyone thinks that he's a weirdo, but he's not.
Ma'am, di na weirdo yan eh. Baliw na yun.
Guys, quiet! He's not. According to this letter, he is diagnosed with a mental disorder known as dissociative identity disorder, formerly called multiple personality disorder. It is a mental health condition characterized with the presence of two or more distinct, separate identities or personality states that control an individual's behavior at different times.
Ano eksena yun? Ano? Bait-baitaw ka? Plastic. Ba't hindi ka na lang mawala? Liver school, you weirdo.
Guys, ano sinasabi niyo? I have a mental disorder and I tend to forget things that I've done when I'm a different personality. And I'm so sorry for what I did to you guys. Sorry!
Sorry, hindi makaalala? So you don't remember cursing us, promising outpay for what they did? Ano yun? Asan yung tapang mo ngayon?
Mental disorder. I think he's faking it.
True, true. Hey, look, here he comes. Kenneth Baliw.
Kenneth Baliw! Kenneth Baliw!
Kenneth Baliw.
Kenneth Baliw! Kenneth Baliw! Let's go!
Hey, let's go. Who do you think you are? Weirdo ka lang. Tandaan mo yan. Know your place, you weirdo. Sino ka para saktan kami, ha?
Eh kayo, sa tingin niyo, ano kayo? Mga magaganda kayo? Mga cool kid? Well, you're not. And if you think guys, pagbibigyan kayo this time, lalo na yung sinabi mo na, sana, hindi mo na lang masaktan ko sila.
Hayaan ba? Baliw yun, di pa tayo tapos dun. Hayaan mo na yun.
Oh.
Hey, are you okay? What happened?
Can you please stop acting like you care, even if hindi naman? You know guys, just wait for my revenge.
I truly care for you. I'm not like them.
Okay, ma'am. Do you want me to help you? Oh. Wait. And on the end, Keanu dies in Justice League, while Kenneth was never sentenced to prison due to his condition. The once peaceful school has turned into a disaster. Not everyone can understand this. Not everyone is the same. Yet, what's important is that we try to adjust and understand them. Because in the end, it was never their choice. It was up to us. How would they treat us? Lastly, be nice to everyone.